Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Canuel. I am the Education Director for the Woonasquatucket River Watershed Council. Today we are going to be doing leaf printing for an activity. The first step to this awesome activity you can do at home is you are going to take a nice long walk outside, picking up leaves that you find interesting along the way. It can be any type of leaf, any amount, doesn't really matter, whatever your artistic vision is. Once you grab those leaves, come back and I'll show you how to make a leaf print. Welcome back from your walk. At this point, you should have lots of different leaves that you can work with and use for our leaf printing. Any style, any type of leaf works perfectly fine. For my example, I chose to only use simple leaves. So simple leaves, a basic definition is you have a single leaf blade. This would be compared to a compound leaf, which has smaller and separate leaves. You can think of like a fern as a good example of what a compound leaf would look like. But for your leaf printing, doesn't matter what kind of leaf you use. The next things that you're going to need for this activity is leaf. You are going to need paint. You are going to need paintbrushes. And you're going to need an easel. And other than that, that's it for this project. So you can use your leaves. It's super simple. You just use them basically as if they were a stamp. And so when you take your leaf, I'm going to take this big one right here. You're going to paint the outside of the leaf. You want to make sure that you paint it really lightly so that it doesn't smudge on your paper. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take my paintbrush, take my paint, and I'm going to gently paint it onto the opposite side of my brush, just like this. So by now you should have the entire backside of your leaf fully covered in paint. The next step, and this is so simple, you take your paper, you press your leaf, and you can hold it down here for a few seconds. That way you can really get the veins of the leaf on your print. You can see all the different things that are going on inside this amazing leaf. So to give you some more information on why leaves are so important for our trees is they actually are the place where lots of the sunlight gets absorbed. So they are a major part of photosynthesis for all of our plants. Beautiful. So now that I have printed my leaf, I am going to show you. You simply take the leaf off of the paper. Da, da, da. And that's it. So it really depends on your artistic capabilities. You can do this as crazy as you want with integral colors. You can use different patterns, really whatever it is that you want to do for your project. So I'm going to keep printing and I will show you my final product. Da, 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 da. Here is my final product. So this is my leaf print. As you can see, I used the exact same leaf, but what I did was I used different colors to create this different pattern. The reason why I love this activity so much is because first of all, it gets you outside and walking, but then second of all, it really helps you examine something that often we don't really pay attention to so much. It's a great way to introduce certain science concepts about why leaves are so important to our trees. There's lots of really great information that you can share out about leaves. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get the chance to try this out at home. Please share your leaf prints and enjoy going for a walk outside, and hopefully we'll see you on the greenway soon. Thanks.